Okay, so we are live at Norland Car Award 2020, and you can see the car. They are no audio car. When you do this business well, then you stand a chance to receive a brand new SUV car. So these are the awardees car. These are the cars that people like you and me have qualified for. This is Norland, and Norland is a network marketing business that can cure the cancer of the pocket and cancer of the body. So this is the cars, the SUV for today, and this is what we did. This is part of the awardee of today. These are brand new cars. You can see the nylon. They are tear nylon. It's not Tokumbo car. They are tear nylon car. You can see the nylon on it. So this is what we ask you to come and join. This is what we want you to join. And with 37,000 naira, you are on board, and you will see the different level. So I'm just doing this for you to see that Norland is real. There's no audio money in Norland. You they pay into your bank account straight away. So we are here to celebrate our car awardees. We are here to celebrate our car awardees. Norland is it. We care, we share. It's real. And that is Norland for you. We care, we share. So today I will be giving you more updates later as we do this. Thank you.